Now you'll probably be thinking, what would be my first part of my build? Well, you can't really do anything without fans. So I got fans from Asia Horse. You can find them on Amazon. They were, I would say, not the cheapest, but decent price. Better than the lian fans. But I'll show you why I chose them, because they're the same as lian fans. Got the cables here, got the screws, more screws, and got the fan. So if you look at the fan, this is one of these infinity mirror ones. So you have infinity mirror on the side, infinity mirror on this side, and then on top the daisy chain. So they click in just like how lian fans would. And the connector is right here, so something like this. So they would connect in, and you would connect it under here where it says to peel off. So you would peel it off, connect it in, and it's supposed to work like magic. But yeah, they look exactly just like lian. So these are front facing blades. You can see how they are going in this direction, front facing. These are the reverse facing blades. So the blades are reversed. So with these ones, when you place them in the case, you actually see the front of this because it actually sucks in air from the back, so intake is in the back. But with the front ones, the intake is always from the front. And if you put it in a case where you won't try to display, all you're gonna see is this, which is not good. So that's why I got 3-pack of the reverse blades. They're gonna be facing in the case, so where we can look at it, and they look cool. These 3 are forward facing blades. They're gonna go on the top, replaced with the AIO fans that comes with it. Those AIO fans are gonna go on the bottom of the case for more airflow, intaking air, because that will be covered and we won't be looking at it. And this is gonna go in the rear. Perfect. So that's my part 1 of my series.